Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. This is probably one of the coolest things I have ever seen. It is a direct sales company and I did become a distributor kind of by chance, only because the founder himself found me. I'm super blessed. So hi Kevin, if you're watching this. I'm super blessed to be a part of this company. It is a little less than 2 years old. It's coming up on its second birthday. It's super interesting to me what it is, so I can't wait to show you guys exactly what it is. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. It is called MojiLife. And it is a wickless, waxless, cordless home fragrance system. You can power it directly from the little device, or you can power it through an app. So I'm super excited to show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is the MojiLife. This has how it comes for you guys who were to order it. So it does come very nicely packaged. It is made of cardboard, really sturdy cardboard. And here it is. Let's put that aside. This is it. This is the little device. And I absolutely love everything about it. You have your button right here. It has 3 settings. The first setting, it is an ongoing battery. It does come with its little charger. The little charger comes at the bottom of this little guy, and instructions on how to use them and all that. So for 3 hours of charge time, you can get up to 50, I believe it's 40 to 50 hours of ongoing use. Push it again, it starts blinking, and it stays on for an hour, and it goes off, it shuts off for an hour. Or you push the third setting, which turns on Bluetooth mode, and I'll show you guys in a separate clip kind of like how on my phone how it works. You connect it through Bluetooth through your home system's Wi-Fi, and you can program it on a schedule. You can have it 20 minutes on, like at 8 o'clock in the morning, and again like in mid-afternoon. Like let's say you make dinner and you don't want the smell of your food to kind of linger around. You have it programmed to where you're going to have dinner already ready, but you don't want the house to stink. It'll automatically turn on and shut off within that schedule. It's so amazing. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to turn this little guy off now. So you turn him on and you have these pods. Mine came with 2. Oregon Coast, which I've already smelled some of the other ones because I did get sample fragrances in their little tins, kind of like for the kit. And then this one is Summertime Serenade, which smells awesome and it's perfect for the summer. Oregon Coast is probably the one I'm going to put in, so let me go ahead and show you how it works. You're going to peel off this top, and I don't exactly have all the exact details. I literally just opened him a few days ago, but I haven't had a chance to come to kind of put him in. Okay, so you get your thing. Oh my god, I can already smell it, and I just opened it. And the fan's not even on. Okay, so you stick him in here, and it sits perfectly right in there. Put the top on, and then you press the button. So let's see, I'm going to have him set over here and see how long it takes for it to start smelling. Within seconds, I can already smell it. I literally have it about 2 feet away from me. I just turned it on, and I can already scent it. It smells amazing. So yeah, it comes with your instructions on how to use it, and it's cute because it's standard. It's black or white, which I got the white. And you have 4 choices for the Moji Minis. These are super cute. These are perfect to collect. If you get them, you put them in your cart. There's no fan to it, but it kind of distributes the scent anyway in a smaller space, especially like these are great for closets. These are great for bathrooms. These are great for your car. You can stick them in your cup holders. And then throughout the rest of the catalog, you start coming across all the fragrances. And there's light, medium, or strong scents. And let me tell you, I've smelled a lot of these. Like, I'll show you guys the boxes right now. This is just a small box. This one contains all of the essential oil ones. So it gives you amazing essential oil scents like lavender, cedarwood, cinnamon leaf, cardamom citrus, lemongrass. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I smell lemongrass. It's not my favorite scent, but if you know what it's for, please let me know what the benefits are, because honestly I'd prefer not to smell it. Peppermint is in here, and spearmint. So you have the 2 types of mint, tea tree and frankincense. So these are all of the essential oils, and you can tell by the little sticker at the bottom, I'm sorry, at the top, the label. If it's purple, it's an essential oil. So I'm super excited for this. And let's see, we have the big box, the Big Daddy of sample fragrances, and these all smell amazing. My son and I, my oldest, we were kind of like opening these up yesterday. Oh my god. Okay, for coffee lovers, there's one that's called Cup of Joe. It smells heavenly. It smells better than Starbucks. I can just tell you that. It smells better than Starbucks. There's one, I believe, Whisper, for the chocolate lovers. It's a hint of chocolate, but it smells super yummy. It smells so great. Yeah, I've opened up a lot of these already. I'm not going to go into detail about every single one of them. I will leave a link down below on all the information to find, you know, on AirMoji. I'm super excited to get started on this. I'm going to have a little sample baggie. I have 2 other essential oils in here. I believe that's why they have them in the darker glasses. I'm not entirely sure what's the difference. I believe that's what it is. I think the essential oils are in the amber glasses, and the regular ones are in the clear. But they're still, they get how, you know, they're pretty big size, decent size for the scent. You know, these are just the samples, of course, but they're super potent. It smells awesome. Yeah, so I'm super excited about that. This thing's still going, and it smells amazing. I literally just, oh yeah, oh god, that smells so good. So AirMoji is a revolutionary app driven, or it's, you know, you can use it with your phone. It's an amazing scent. It's an amazing quality. I will leave it everything in the description. The minis are super cute. They're only $8, and then each scent is about $6.50. So heck yes, I am super excited because I am an avid wax warmer user, but those things are super annoying to kind of like tote around because you have to plug them in. You have to make sure that there's nothing going to tip it over because the wax is very, very hot and very dangerous. And I have 2 boys who, since they were born, I've kind of used this kind of stuff. So yes, there's places there that wax just does not want to come out of. So this is definitely super exciting for me. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I will answer it as best as I can. I will link you to anything that could possibly give you better information if I am not able to at this time. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any other requests on what I should be filming. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited that I have a couple things coming up this week. I actually just did a activated charcoal teeth whitening powder, so that video either should be up already or it's coming up soon. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah!